Hi, it's Denise, and it's time for the Summer DIY Floral Challenge hosted by Lindsay at Domer Home and Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi. So if you want to see what I managed to come up with, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I managed to put together a fairy garden, and I just want to show it off. Let's take a look. So this is what I think I want to do. I want to do an herb garden, and I wanted it to be an herb fairy garden. But I couldn't find any fairies that I liked to put in the garden. But I did find this sweet little welcome sign that I found at Joann's. So that's going to be here. And then I love this little birdhouse. It usually sits on my porch. But I decided to bring it back here and put it in my fairy herb garden. This is rolled leaf parsley. This is some cinnamon basil. Here I've got some rosemary. Back here I've got some sage. And these are all things that will come back, hopefully. The rosemary won't winter over, but I'll get good use out of it this summer. Then I also have these succulents that I want to put in, and I want to put them along here. And then I've got this little creeping stuff that I thought I could just put in somewhere around there as a filler. So I've kind of got things laid out the way I think I want them to go. So now let's actually get them put in. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm planting, it's never pretty. It's not pretty until it's done. And then this little 9-bark, it's a Diablo 9-bark, I dug up from a piece that I have on the side of the house, and I put it in this jar to root it, but I'm going to put some dirt in this jar and just let it sit there and grow in there. I think it'll be happy there for a little while. So this is going to be my DIY floral. And the rules were it had to be either faux or live, but some kind of floral decor for your home. And I've been wanting an herb garden for my home, so this was my opportunity to do it. I want to put mulch here for the house to set on. And these little peat pots I can just plant right into the ground. You just have to make sure you drench the pot well before you plant them. So my pot's been drenched. And we'll get this in there. And this won't be in here too long, but this at least gives it some nutrients. So I've drenched this pot, and you can just plant it. Oh, I gotta break the bottom off. And then it can just go right down in here. So there's the rosemary planted in. Now I think I want to put the parsley right over here. I think that'll be a nice balance. And let's build that up just a little bit. So I've drenched this drenched it in water. Now let's just get it down there. So there's the parsley. And let's get the basil over here. Looks like there's 2 of them in here. And they're wanting to separate, so let's just put them and this is a little ground cover. It'll just grow all in here and kind of spill out. So there's that. Now with these, I want to break them apart. Just pop those down in there like that. I haven't tried planting these little succulents before, these little hen and chicks, but they're so cute. Let's see how they do. Let's fill that in with a little mulch. There we go. So here's my summer DIY floral. It is my fairy garden, and it's just waiting for the fairies to come. Here's my welcome sign. I've got a little house. There's a little path leading up to the house, and it's just waiting for the fairies to come. I want to thank Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi and Lindsay at Domer Home for hosting this challenge. And I will link the playlist below so that you can see all the amazing things that other creators have done. I tell you, I got inspired to do a fairy garden when we had the container garden challenge. I had not heard about fairy gardens. And whereas I plant an herb garden typically every year, I've never thought about trying it this way. So I've certainly been inspired by creating something new for my home. And as the patio is part of our outdoor living space, this is part of my home decor for the summer. So again, thank you Heidi and Lindsay for creating this challenge. Now here's a question for you. What part of this floral arrangement, this live DIY fairy garden, do you find most interesting? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.